What happens when ancient artistry collides with cutting-edge technology? Grace Ling's Spring 2026 collection, Future Relics, dares to answer that question by weaving together the mystique of antiquity and the boldness of tomorrow. Backstage before her show, Ling described the concept as a fusion of something incredibly old with something undeniably modern and futuristic. This duality isn't just a theme, it's the heartbeat of her designs. From 3D printed couture pieces to wearable art that balances innovation with craftsmanship, Ling is redefining what it means to create in the 21st century. For more on this trend, check out this in-depth report, https:/fashionnews/designer-luxury Michael Ryder Celine campaign, Spring 2026, on there, about how designers are merging tech and tradition. But here's where it gets controversial. How do you honor ancient techniques while pushing the boundaries of what's possible with today's tools? Ling's answer lies in found objects, those discarded, forgotten, or repurposed items that carry stories of their own. Picture it, handbags with dagger-shaped handles, or 3D printed silver charms that look like relics from a lost civilization. These aren't just accessories, they're conversations between past and future. Technology and traditional methods of craft, she explains, are the two sides of the same coin in her work. It's a bold stance, and one that invites debate. Should fashion be a bridge between eras, or should it break free from history altogether? The collection itself is a masterclass in contrasts. Think black satin suits with razor-sharp tapered waistcoats, paired with skirts that cling to the body like a second skin. Or in some cases, bare it entirely. Ling, a 2023 Vogue and CFDA Fashion Fund alum, has built a reputation for merging the tactile with the digital. Her runway this season featured powerhouses like Ashley Graham, Quannah Chasinghorse, and Precious Lee, while stylist Patti Wilson added her signature flair backstage. And yet, as Ling admits, her work is a paradox. I'm calm and shy, but my garments are anything but. The velvet burnout fabric on her dresses and jackets, layered over mesh, creates moments of deliberate vulnerability. Transparency that feels both provocative and poetic. And this is the part most people miss. Ling's true genius lies in the art of revealing and concealing. I like hiding and showing the body, but in a way that feels elegant, she says. Her final look, a cascade of silver branches draped over the model's frame, barely covering the skin, sums it up perfectly. It's high fashion with a dystopian edge, where beauty and decay coexist. But here's the twist. Is this the future of fashion, or is it a warning? As Ling's designs blur the lines between relic and revolution, they force us to ask, can art preserve the past while inventing the future? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you see this as progress, or is it a step too far into the unknown?